Applying Retro Wall Art's vinyl sticker decals to a wall surface. For this, you'll need masking tape, scissors, debit card, or a squeegee. Place the sticker up on a wall where you'd like it to go and apply a long masking tape acting as a hinge across the middle. If your wall art sticker is landscape design, then please apply masking tape vertically across the middle acting as a hinge. Or if your wall art sticker is portrait design, please apply masking tape horizontally across the middle acting as a hinge. Now you can cut off the backing paper, just above the hinge from the upper part. Apply the upper part of the transfer onto the wall, working from the middle outwards. You can remove the masking tape as the upper middle part will act as a hinge. Now you do the same for the bottom part. Lift it up and remove the backing paper and apply the rest of the transfer. Now you could use a firm card such as debit card or a squeegee to pressure activate the adhesive. Top tip, always apply the pressure from the middle outwards to ensure you have a smooth application. Carefully remove the transfer tape by starting from a corner working down diagonally, ensuring the sticker decals remain on the surface and only the transfer tape is being removed. Now it's applied, your wall art sticker should be looking wonderful. This tutorial is brought to you by Retro Wall Arts, bringing your wall to life.